So this is the view from my door as you walk into my room, and this is just a quick little overview. So you can just get the gist of how big my room actually is. And then that's another door over there, and that leads onto my ensuite. I'm just gonna take you on a little tour of my room. So straight away when you first walk in, you can see this tall shelf, which is from IKEA. You've probably seen it a lot before, as most people do have this shelf. I think it's called the Lack shelf. So I just display a few things on there, as you can see. So on the bottom shelf, I have the Too Faced Grand Hotel Cafe from about 2 years ago now. It hasn't got the palettes or anything. The palettes are like in my drawer, but that's just the case that it came in, and I love it, so I just wanted to display it. I've got my Tartlet in Bloom packaging that the palette came in, and I love that packaging as well, so I just wanted to display that. And then in front is just a little owl money box. Then you go up a shelf, and on display I've just got a Chanel box, a Tiffany & Co box, and a Michael Kors box. The next shelf is my Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick case, my Lady Million, and then just a few bits and bobs of jewellery like my watches and my rings. The next shelf, I have a old candle. I just keep it as a display piece. And then I've got all MAC lipsticks on display here. They're the Gambasta Valley ones. I don't even know how, Gambatista or something. I don't know how to say it. So that's that one. So this is my shelf for my dad. He passed away when I was really, really young. Me and my sister dedicate the song Angels by Robbie Williams to him. So that's some lyrics out of that song with his picture next to them. And then this little candle which just says, "Guardian angel burning bright, watch over us all tonight." So I love that little shelf, it means so much to me. Then on this next shelf I've got a picture of me and Sam, and then a little fake plant thing. And then the top shelf, if you can see, I've got 2 Sephora bags because I just think that they're so aesthetically pleasing. I love the stripes and everything. And then I've got an old Ariana Grande perfume bottle because I think the bottle looks so cute. So that is my shelves. Then down next to my shelves I've got this Gucci bag which my Gucci trainers came in, and I just think that that looks really nice there. I'm all about displaying things, I love things on display. And then next to this is my bedside table. As you can see, these are the mom drawers, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that they are, and I DIY'd a little thing myself, and because my room is gold, rose gold and white and grey, I wanted to add, like, break up the white a little bit on these drawers because it was all white. So I bought some contact sticky paper, which is gold, and just lined these bits of the drawers, and I love them. So on top I've got my lamp and I've got my docking station, and then next to it is an e-candle, obviously for Ellie. So here we've got an iPhone wireless charger and then a Apple Watch charger, obviously for my Apple Watch. So that is the bedside table. And then you move on to my bed. So as you can see, it's grey and gold themed, as like my pillows are grey and then one's gold. I got this stuff a long time ago. I think my bed sheets are from Primark actually. They're reversible. So on one side they're this, and then the other side it's the darker grey. It's all from Primark, so even these cushions are from Primark too. So my bed is the mom bed as well. As you can see, they're quite similar to the drawers. I didn't have enough contact paper to do these bits of my bed, but I quite like my bed plain anyway. I think it would have been too much if I did the bed as well. So under my bed I've got 4 drawers as well. So I've got these 2 here, and then I've got 2 the other side. But in the bottom of my drawers I just keep that as storage. That is Sam's drawer, so it's got all of his clothes in there. And then the other side there's pyjamas in this one, and then in this one it's just another storage drawer for like all my summer stuff. Also, I don't know if you can see, you might see it a little bit now, on the back of my bed I've stuck some little gold fairy lights, just so then at night time the bed lights up, which I think is really, really sweet. And then you go up onto the wall and I've just got a little canvas and it just says leave sparkles wherever you go. And it's grey, gold and white, so it ties in perfectly. And then I bought these gold spots from Amazon and I just stuck them around it. Just my little DIY. So my door is here, and then you come round and you see my laundry basket, my built-in wardrobes, and then my chest of drawers. So as you can see, my chest of drawers are the mom drawers as well, and I've done the exact same on those with the gold contact paper as I did my bedside table. So on top of my drawers I just have this little gold house which I love, and it just stores all of my perfumes. So I've got Olympia, Zara, Black Opium, Hugo Boss, and then a new Ariana Grande one. Next to it I've got a Yankee Candle in clean cotton. I've got a room diffuser which smells amazing, and I got that for my birthday. Here I've got a number 7 illuminating mirror, and on top I just have my Minnie Mouse gold ears from Disneyland. Here I've got a little gold pot, which I don't know where this is from. I think it had a candle in it before, and it just stores my little cotton pads to take off my makeup. Next to it I have this lantern, and it's just got a candle in it which I've nearly burnt out, so I need to get a new one. And then here I have this lovely little, I think it's a deer. Yeah, I think it's a deer, and it was on sale in Asda and I bought it because I love it. So that is the top of my drawers. Then you go up and you can see some more of these spots. Just excuse these wires because I can't have my PlayStation plugged in without these wires dangling down. So it's so annoying because they look hideous, but just excuse those. So I've got some more spots and they are just around my telly. I've just got Netflix on at the minute because I love Netflix. So now moving on to my window. As you can see, I have a really, really big window. It's huge and it's quite low as well. My bed is like there and window is literally there. And then on here, I don't really like this because I don't think it looks nice, but it's the only place the PlayStation could go. I'd rather it go on the windowsill than on here because I like this bit as a little display area. So on top, I've just got some Game of Thrones, which me and Sam are wanting to get into soon. And then just some games. And then coming round you see this mirror. I don't want to stand in the way because I don't want you to see me today because I look awful. So this is my full length mirror. I would like a bigger mirror, but as you can see in my room I have got nowhere at all to put it. So I'm gonna have to stick with this one for now. Down on the floor here is my Gucci shoebox, and then I've got a little bin, and then my favourite part of the room, which is my dressing table. So my dressing table is all from IKEA. You've probably seen it no end of times. So it's the Alex 5 drawers either side, and then a tabletop. I can't remember the exact size of the tabletop though. And the chair is also from IKEA. It was quite expensive, to be fair, for a chair. I think it was like £70. It's just the clear back chair, as you can see, and I've just draped a sheepskin rug over the top of it, which is also from IKEA. I think that was like £5. So on top of my dressing table, this is what it looks like. I like to keep it fairly clean. I don't really like it cluttered, but at the minute I'm just displaying my MacBook and my iPad on there because I think they look really cute and I love my cases for them. And then I've got my light box, which just says my name, a little candle which says aim for the stars. It is purple, so it doesn't really go with my room, but I love candles, so it stays there. I have then got my 2 Victoria's Secret like mists, so they just stay there. Then I've got my James Charles pot with all brushes that I use every day in. So they all stay in there. I've got loads more brushes than that, but I just don't use them all the time. So they've gone into a drawer, and I've just kept the ones out that I use all the time because the others just collect dust. So I thought, what's the point of keeping them out on my dressing table when I don't use them every day? Then my absolute favourite part, I've got my mirror, which I love to pieces. And then on my mirror, I've just got this lipstick holder which just holds all my favourite lipsticks that I use most of the time. My makeup collection is on my channel if you want to go see it. And then in these drawers, I'll give you a little sneak peek. I just keep all of my makeup in these ones, as you can see. That one's palettes, and then this bottom one is all of my camera equipment in there and everything that I need for like YouTube and that. A little journal that I write in like my video ideas and that. So that all stays in there. Underneath my desk, I've just got my big Ted Baker, my big Ted Baker carry case, and then a few more extra pots, which I'm not using at the minute, and then an extension cable because I need loads of plugs. This side is more makeup, so I'll just give you a little overview. So there's the rest of my brushes. In this one, I keep all of my hair stuff. This one is all my skincare stuff. And then this one is makeup bags and different bits at the back. So now moving on to the back of my room. As you can see, it's wallpapered gold, and the rest of my room is obviously white, and all of the detailing and that is grey. But I wanted just one wall gold, so this is like my backdrop for my videos, kind of. I change my backdrop all the time, but I think I've got a fixed backdrop now. So on the back of my wall, I've obviously got these waterfall lights. And then here in the corner, I've got my Alex 9 drawers. And next to it, I've just got my sliders, my fluffy slipper sliders, a little bean bag. And then down there, I've got a Sam Smith record. So these are my Alex 9 drawers. I just keep a load of rubbish in these, so you don't really want to go through them. And then on top of those Alex 9 drawers, I've got my lovely record player, which I am still yet to use. Behind it, I've got my Heart of Gold mug with my Tarte brushes, a candle which is all gone, so I need to clean that out because I really want to keep this pot because I think it's so cute. And then this bottle which has got little fairy lights in, and it lights up. Then moving on to this little wall here, I have just some pictures from Decenio. I love these pictures. So I've just got a big eyelash one, a quote which says "Make your dreams happen," a perfume one, and then a little lipstick one. So they are just there, and I like them to be in the backgrounds of my videos because I just think they look so nice. And then we're moving on to my door to my bathroom, and then obviously we are back where we started. So here is my ensuite. I just have on the door my big dressing gown, which has got the most hugest hood on it. I've got a hoodie, and I've got my Vivienne Westwood bag, and then my satin robe. So in here, I'm just going to give you an overview because you don't really want to see my bathroom, to be fair. But I've just got obviously my toilet, which I changed the toilet seat to a sparkly one. A window and a sink, toothbrushes, and then the shower is around here. So that is the bathroom. So that's it, everyone. That was my room tour. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it. If you'd like to see more videos from me, then give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below, and maybe click that bell button just to get notified when I do upload. And I'll see you again soon. Bye!